The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to use Adobe Photoshop to determine the exposed surface area of plant leaves for use in growth analysis research. Let's get started. Using the Marquee tool located to the left of the image viewing area, make a rough selection of the area of interest. In our case, this will be 3 plants of the same phenotype for which we would like to obtain an average size. Next, open the Color Range tool. This is located under Select in the main menu. Once the dialog box is open, ensure that the radio button is set to selection and the selection preview drop-down dialog is set to black matte. Begin by making an initial selection of the plant. Notice how the selection gradient changes depending upon which area of the plant is selected first. To add additional tones to the selection, hold the Shift button and click the darker shaded regions of the plant. The selection can also be increased by dragging the fuzziness toolbar to the right. You'll want to do this slowly and stop to add additional tones. Finally, to ensure that the maximum number of colors are included in the selection, slowly drag the fuzziness toolbar just until the point where additional unwanted regions of the image become selected, such as the growing container or soil artifacts. To finalize the selection, press OK. Now that the leaves have been selected, it is necessary to find the number of pixels within the selection. This can be done using the histogram located in the Palettes toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. Ensure that the view is in expanded mode with the Show Statistics button also selected. The number of pixels can be found in the bottom left-hand corner of the statistics display. Occasionally, the histogram will display an error message indicating that it needs to be regenerated with uncached data. This is easily remedied by selecting the refresh button above the histogram and must be done to ensure that an accurate pixel count is obtained. In this case, there are approximately 200,000 pixels selected. Finally, to convert the pixels into physical units, we must measure the number of pixels of an object within the image for which the real-world size is already known. In our case, this is a white block with a size of 4 centimeters squared. Using the Marquee tool, select this area and return to the histogram to find the number of pixels. We can see that this is approximately 62,000. So by dividing the number of pixels of the leaves, approximately 200,000, by the number of pixels of the square, about 62,000, multiplied by 4 centimeters squared and dividing by 3 to obtain the average, we find that each plant is approximately 4.5 centimeters squared in size. I hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful. Happy Photoshopping!